Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. Well, today is Thanksgiving 2024. Happy Thanksgiving to you all. I hope that you have a wonderful day with family, friends, and whatever you're going to be doing to enjoy this year's holidays. And today I'm going to be bringing you a very quick video, and I'm going to be showing you how to make a 5-minute apple pie. Now, it's not really an apple pie, but I got the recipe from the latest First magazine and I clipped it out, and I'm just going to show you. This really caught my attention because it's literally called 5-minute apple pie, and I'm going to be using one apple. This is a Macoun apple, which we have quite a bit of here in New England at this time of year. They are delish. And I'm going to be using 2 full sheets of cinnamon graham crackers. I have a tablespoon of brown sugar. I have a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon. I have a teaspoon, 2 teaspoons actually, of cornstarch. And I have 2 tablespoons of water. And all I'm going to do, this is great because obviously at this time of year, we're craving the apple pie a la mode, pumpkin pie, all the rich desserts that get me on a path to just eating my way through the holiday season, which I will probably do anyway because I cannot resist the good stuff. But this is something that if you really are having a craving, but you don't want to go crazy and eat all the sweets, you're basically having an apple with some brown sugar and cinnamon and the Honey Maid graham crackers, which aren't a lot of calories. So this is a great thing to have on hand. So 1 apple, we're going to dice this apple up, and it says to keep the skin on. So I'm going to dice this up, and then we're going to get it into a microwavable bowl.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep it.
Alright, so I have my diced apple, and this is a nice big apple. So I'm going to put that in my microwavable bowl. And here it is in my bowl. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take another little bowl and I'm going to mix together my cornstarch and my water to make a slurry to add to my apples. So I'll put in the water, the cornstarch, get it all in there, and then it says no lumps. So I'm just going to give this a nice little stir, and cornstarch does mix up really, really well. Let me come over and show you what that looks like. Let's see if you can see that. It's just like a little bit of a milky kind of a substance. Okay, there's my cornstarch, and I'm going to add now my brown sugar and cinnamon to my apples, and I'm going to stir that up really good and get that all combined. Smells incredible. Breaking up my apples too. Make sure they're all nice and broken apart here. All right, I'm going to show you what this looks like in the bowl. And then I'm going to pour my slurry over my apples, and this will thicken the apples up. All right, give that a good little stir. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in the microwave for 1 minute. And while that 1 minute is cooking, what I'm going to do is I'm going to crush my graham crackers Just gonna put them in here, and I'm just gonna crush them with my hands. Just give them a nice little, make them all like, not powdery, but just like little crumb size. Okay, those are all nice and crushed. All right, now I'm just gonna take the apples, stir them good, and put them back in for another minute. And it's supposed to get gooey. It's not gooey yet. It's kind of got like a, it's got like a juice. Let me show you. See how it's got like a little juice in there? But we'll put it back in for another minute. Now it says to serve it in a ramekin, and it says obviously if it's just for one, you can place the other apples into your other ramekin and save that in the fridge until you want to make another one. And I'm also going to add just a little tiny bit of whipped cream, because why not? I mean, it is Thanksgiving after all. What are you guys making for Thanksgiving this year? Are you doing the whole thing and having everyone over to your house? Or are you just bringing a dish and having someone else host? This year I'm going to my husband's sister's house, Bob's sister's house. Hi Diane, hi Michelle, if you guys are watching. Cannot wait to hang out with you guys later on. Okay, the timer is off. Let's go see what it looks like. Yeah, it's a little bit gooey. Let's see. Let me stir it here. Oh, yeah, baby, that looks yum. Oh, let me show you what this looks like. All right, look at that, huh? Looks nice and gooey and yummy. All right, let's get it in the ramekin and give it a taste. All right, now it says to add these graham crackers into your apple mixture and then stir. But since I'm only going to have one little bit of it right now, I'm going to put my apples into my ramekin. And I'll save the other one. And I'll put like a little bit of a handful here. 2 handfuls maybe. But you might not be able to see that. All right, I'm going to give it a little bit of a stir to get some of that graham cracker mixed in. All right, and then I'm going to give it a little topping of my whipped cream, my Ready Whip. Love this stuff. I've already had it in my cocoa. All right, little dollop. Don't want to go too crazy. All right, I can see that it's like really hot. All right, let's give this a taste and see. It's not going to compare to an apple pie, but let's see what it tastes like. Oh. Has the flavor of a apple crisp. The apples aren't mushy. They're hot and still have a little bit of a crispness to them. Tastes tastes amazing. This is like apple crisp you can whip up anytime you want some. Love it, love it, love it. I'm a huge fan of apple crisp, and I love it with melted vanilla ice cream on it when it's hot. But this takes care of my craving, and I don't have like 500, more than that. I don't have like 1,000 calories of vanilla ice cream, and Okay, guys. This is a winner. And I have enough for a second one sometime over the next day or two. I can just heat it up, put my graham crackers on there, and the apples themselves, as I told you in a previous video, I'm doing the Weight Watchers points. Apples are 0 points. So I do get some points in here because I get the brown sugar and cinnamon and the graham crackers, but you know, what does this say? It says 8 crackers is a serving size, and a serving of 8 graham crackers is only 130 calories. I've only got like probably a half of a graham cracker, if that, on top of here. So really, I mean, this is a low-cal, low-point, delicious, healthy alternative to the maybe not so low-cal desserts we're going to be having at this time of the year. But anyway, guys, I hope you do enjoy your not so low-calorie desserts this time of year. I know I will definitely be having my faves. I'm not going to skimp or not indulge. I definitely am. But hey, I can do this anytime I want and get a sweet craving fix whenever I want one. Oh yeah. Guys, this is it. All right. Well, let me chew. All right. Well, thank you so much for tuning in. Thanks for watching today. As I said, have a great Thanksgiving holiday and long weekend. I hope that you're doing something fun. I'm going to be putting my tree up tomorrow, the day after Thanksgiving, and I will have that Christmas tree decorating and Christmas home tour for you in my next video. So anyway, guys, that's gonna do it for me today. Take care, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.
We're filled with love and joy. Loving so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day.